fallen ones and their lovers they left behind. My tears are for the warriors who held faith beyond their time. They taste salty like the blood of war. Who cries here with us too, as do the children of the widowers, who now believe nightmares come true. You and we will remember, sing sweet sad songs. Our hearts are praying as one, reflecting together. Lest they forget, let us remember. Is with the fallen ones of selfless, soulful gold. Our tears are for the millions of their stories never told. You and we will remember. Sweet songs that go on forever. Our hearts are praying as one, reflecting forever. Lest they forget, let us remember. Sing with me. Lest they forget, let us remember. One more time. Lest they forget, let us remember.